So hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I will show you how to draw using grid. So I generally use this application Grid Art. So it's very good to me. So before entering you will see this kind of interface. Go into gallery, and after going into gallery you have to choose any picture that you are going to make. So I'm drawing Virat Kohli, so I picked that one. So after coming here I'm typing how many columns and rows I want. So I'm using this square grid, and you can use non-square grid also as per your requirement. Now rows 9. So let's see. So now you can see 9 rows and 7 columns. So then you can choose any color you want, any line color you want. So you can make it invisible also from here. So I'm using a black line, I think. Now I am saving it from here, so it will be saved on gallery also. So you can like see multiple images from here. This is a pro version, but you can get by watching ad. So now as you can see 7 columns and 9 rows. So now let's start. In order to make exact drawing I always prefer to use grid, so because it gives very accuracy in drawing, so that's why I always like use it. As you can see here, initially I started drawing eyes, because if eyes is matching, your almost work I think have done. So I am speeding up in between as this video will take so long, so therefore I don't want to waste your time. Now as you can see I am directioning the hair so with light hand. So like lightly I am directioning the hair, because like if you use lightly then you can use dark pencil on it. So let's see. So in order to make realistic hair, these are the steps you should follow. As you can see here in the video, I'm brushing it. So after blending or brushing, I am using this dark pencil. So I'm applying it where the area of hair is dark. So again I'm blending with a brush to fade that dark part. So this is the main step to give the shine that makes hair realistic. So further blend it again with brush. So now as you can see the hair is looking almost real. Now I'm using white pencil color to color the t-shirt. So there are wrinkles on the t-shirt, I'm outlining that. After that I will use gray oil pastel color to apply on these outlines. Further for background I am using this charcoal, and now just wait for result. I hope you guys really like it, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more related videos. And if you don't want to miss an update, please press the bell icon, and thank you for watching.